Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome to this quick tip about annoying frizz hair. Let me show you what I mean by that. You see, this is a deformed geometry. If I apply hair to it, first you will notice some glitch, but it's not obvious here. But if you add a frizz, you see, it's generating every frame or reordering that every frame. And this is so annoying. I want to demonstrate that with the sphere, and if I go generate a hair generation, you see, whoa, what the heck is that? Okay, as you can see, now we have hair. So first I want to make it thick enough, and I want to make it longer. So we have that, right? And if I go with frizz here, so this is skin, we have something like that, you see? So charming. And now if I play that, everything is normal. But there is a known issue. We talk about that with Kevin, my friend, and we solve that. There is an issue if we have deform geometry rather than frozen geometry. Let's say that. So if I play that, you see, this is a deformed geometry. If I apply hair to it, first you will notice some glitch, but it's not obvious here. But if you add a frizz, you see, it's generating every frame or reordering that every frame, and this is so annoying. So the first step to it is to froze this geometry with shift node. You see, we're gonna tell him stay in this status, and we can go deform point. Yeah, you know, mesh to deform. We're gonna deform this hair, and rest point will be that, and this will go to this. You see, this is the first and classic old school approach. So we have another approach which is so efficient, and Sidefx thought about that already. And this input, you see, animated skin or point. So you can give your rest skin here, rest mean this frozen one, and you can connect that to this, and we have deform skin now. And guess what? This will solve the problem. That's the amazing approach you can do with this. Let me show you before and after. We had that generating frame by frame, and here is fixed. You see? Amazing. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. I thought this one will help you guys. So with that, see you in the next one. Peace out.